The exact day Earth dies has already been calculated. It is written down. It is real. And it is sitting in a scientific paper right now, waiting for you to read it. But here is what nobody tells you. That date is not the only one. Earth does not die once. It dies 4 times. The first one is closer than you think. Close enough that you might actually live to see it start. The last one is so far away that everything you have ever known, every person, every city, every war, every love story, will be nothing but old dust by the time it happens. Stay till the end, because the third ending is the one almost nobody talks about. And it changes everything about how you see this planet. Let us start with death number 1. This is the ending we are causing ourselves. Humans have changed this planet faster than any species before us. Forests are disappearing. Oceans are warming. Ice that took thousands of years to form is melting in decades. Scientists call this a tipping point, a moment where the damage cannot be reversed, no matter what we do after it. And some of these tipping points may already be close. Coral reefs dying faster than they can recover. Ice sheets sliding into the ocean. Weather patterns breaking records that have stood for centuries. Here is the number that should stop you. If nothing changes, parts of Earth could become too hot for humans to survive in within a few hundred years. Not billions of years. Not millions. Hundreds. Someone alive right now could have descendants who watch it happen. But here is a twist almost nobody talks about. Even if we stopped everything today, even if every factory shut down and humans vanished tomorrow, Earth would still die. Because this planet has 3 more endings already waiting. And none of them need us to happen. 10,000 years from now, Earth freezes. A new ice age begins. Not a disaster movie. A cycle. Earth has repeated it for hundreds of thousands of years, driven by tiny wobbles in its own orbit. Sea levels drop. Entire coastlines disappear. The map you know stops existing. Now push forward. 100,000 years. Somewhere on Earth right now, a supervolcano is sleeping. We already know roughly where some of them are hiding. When one finally erupts, it will not just destroy a city. It could block out the sun for years. Crops fail everywhere at once. A slow, global starvation with nothing to do with war. Just ash blocking the sky. And there is a third danger hiding in this same window. 700,000 years from now, Earth's magnetic field is expected to flip. That field is the invisible shield protecting every living thing from deadly solar radiation. It has flipped many times before in Earth's history. And every time it does, that shield weakens. For a while, Earth stands almost unprotected. Here is the part that should genuinely disturb you. None of these 3 events are the real ending. Life has survived every single one of them before. They are not death. They are warnings. Proof that this planet was never as stable as it feels beneath your feet right now. So if none of this is the true ending, what is? That answer is bigger than anything Earth can do to itself. Comes from space. And it is death number 3. 1 billion years from now, the sun begins to win. It is not dying yet, but it has been getting brighter every single day since the moment it was born. As it brightens, Earth heats with it. The oceans, the same oceans that gave birth to every living thing that has ever existed, begin to evaporate straight into the sky. Plants that create the oxygen you are breathing right now start to disappear. Without them, the air itself begins to change into something unrecognizable. This is the point most scientists agree on. The moment Earth stops being able to support complex life at all. Not future humans. Not animals. Nothing like what exists today. 2 billion years from now, Earth is barely recognizable. A dry, cracked world. Oceans completely gone. Surface temperatures hot enough to melt what we once called home. If anything is still alive, it is not on the surface anymore. It is deep underground, or hidden in the last pockets of water left on the entire planet. The same way scientists believe life may have first begun billions of years ago. The ending quietly mirroring the beginning. But even this is not the final chapter. There is one more death still coming. And this one, nothing survives. 5 billion years from now, the sun finally runs out of fuel. It does not fade quietly. It swells, dramatically, into what scientists call a red giant, growing far beyond anything it is today. Mercury is swallowed first, then Venus, then Earth. Earth may not even survive as a planet. It could be pulled in and destroyed completely by the very sun it orbited peacefully for billions of years. Or, if it somehow survives, it will be left behind as a scorched, lifeless rock, circling the dim, dying remains of the star that once made every single moment of life possible. The planet that had oceans, forest cities, every person who has ever lived and ever will. Gone. So which one is the real answer? The truth is all four are real. They are just standing at different distances. Death by our own hands could arrive in centuries. Fast enough that it is not really about the future. It is about our children and their children. Death by ice, fire, and a flipping magnetic field will keep testing life again and again, the way it always has. Death by the sun's slow rise will end complex life in about 1 billion years. And the true final ending, the one absolutely nothing survives, will not arrive for another 5 billion years. That is more time than has already passed since life first appeared on this planet. Which means the true ending is not close at all. But sit with this for a second. 3 of these 4 endings are not fixed. They are not locked in. The sun will do what it will do 5 billion years from now, no matter what anyone chooses. But whether Earth's story ends in centuries, or continues for billions of years, that part is still being written.